Today another avionics skills will be discussed. Usually installing clamp is one of the hated part by avionics personnel due to the hardness of pressing the clamp. But in this video, we will teach you on how to do it effectively yet effortless approach. 1. Insert the prescribed clamp to the wire. See aircraft maintenance manual for the correct clamp. 2. Pressing the clamp will be very hard, especially if the clamp is too thick. So get 1P Phillips screw and insert it to the hole of the clamp. 3. Use vice grip to grip the hard, thick clamp. Shake the Phillips screw so that the hole of the clamp will be aligned. 4. Remove the Phillips screw and let the vice grip stay. 5. Put lacing cord on the hole of the clamp so that when you remove the vice grip, the clamp will still be aligned and intact. I suggest you do the double 8 knot to have a better holding capacity on clamp. I made a video of this previously. You can watch how to do this step by step for you to remember. Careful with the knife and avoid cutting your hand and the wires. 6. Remove the vice grip and install the screw together with the washer. 7. Use screw and hardly press the bolt and slowly rotate it so that it will go through the clip nut. 8. Once the few thread of the bolt go through the clip nut, use ratcheting to fully install the bolt and tighten it correctly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Avionics Technician.